In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how your Stinger reacts when encountering a fixed speed trap. This video is for Stinger users with a View interface. Your Stinger can warn you against a number of speed traps that are fixed. They are installed on or behind the guardrail, on a pole fixed in the ground, or on a portal above the road. Their functions vary from red light checks, speed checks, and license plate scanning. What they all have in common is that they are not mobile and are always at the same location. These locations, which we call spots, are stored in the Spotlist GPS database on your Stinger. So what happens when you're driving toward a fixed speed trap? 15 seconds before you encounter the speed trap, your Stinger gives an audio warning and your display tells you the upcoming speed trap is a fixed installation. On the right of your display, you can see the target screen. Your car is in the center of the target and the red spot is the fixed speed trap. The closer the red spot comes to the center of the target, the closer you are getting to the speed trap. When you have passed the fixed speed trap, your Stinger will return to the pilot screen. You can also add your own spot to the spot list. In the pilot screen, just tap the Add Fixed Spot button. The next time you are about to pass that spot, your View will give you a spot alert. You might notice that in this tutorial we're showing European-style speed limit signs. In other regions, such as North America, the Stinger will display US-style signs. Spot list alerting is part of the Stinger spot list. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you have the latest spot list with current speed traps and section controls. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.